Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership and collecting account details. This prevents illegal bypassing and speeds support. Once done, charge the phone to at least 50% and connect reliable Y56 remote services work. Make sure you know the Vivo account email and the Google account tied to the device, and write down the IMEI from the box or settings. These items let official unlock routes proceed. Do not attempt third-party bypass tools. They risk data loss and void warranty. Now try official recovery paths. If you recall parts of the PIN or pattern, use the built-in reset prompts in settings under security to regain access safely. If that fails, sign into your Vivo account or Google Find My Device from a computer and follow the remote unlock or secure factory reset options. These require account verification. Make sure you can receive verification codes on your email or phone number because account proof is required. These methods preserve legality and keep the device eligible for warranty support. If online recovery fails, take the device to an authorized Vivo service center with your ID and purchase proof. Explain the privacy password issue and request an official unlock or factory restore. Technicians can verify ownership and perform a secure reset without risking illegal methods. Once the phone is reset, sign back into your Vivo and Google accounts and restore backups from Vivo Cloud or Google Drive if available. Troubleshooting tip: if service refuses help, ask for a written reason and escalate through Vivo customer support channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.